after these bollards,
Yeah.
there might be a room for you.
Yeah.
But it all depends on the oncoming traffic and also depends on your speed.
Yes. So
Before the zebra.
So I need to be extra careful since the bike can
It's impossible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's flashing out there.
Yes. There's a bus that's approaching, so it's again impossible.
So it's
and then we're going ahead.
yeah. Cyclist can swerve into the road at any point of time.
Is it safe to overtake him?
Yeah, it's a safe. I can overtake. And there's a green as well, so I'll be in my lane.
Well done for checking your mirrors.
No. It's red again.
Perfect.
We'll stop it.
How do you feel?
Good. Awesome.
Yeah, it was the right time. It was the safest moment to do such and such. Yeah, perfect.
And you're also observing the traffic lights.
Sudden changes. Yeah. Well done. So from that right wing mirror, can you see it?
Yeah.
Just try to be a little bit to the left, so we don't want to be on the edge. Yes. Yeah. So comparing this one here, plenty of space.
Plenty of space.
Could have. Yeah. Good. Well done. And then we're going to take a left at the next junction.